In today's episode, we're going to be doing some fall decorating. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Today I'm going to be decorating my corner here for fall. Now I'm doing a simple fall decoration, no money spent. Wait a minute, I lied. I did purchase some mugs. Now I really didn't purchase them for this, but I saw them and I couldn't resist them. They were in General Dollar. Now if I can remember, I'll remember to link the haul up here in the corner. Now the three items I'm going to be using are this burnt orange pumpkin mug. Then I have the light orange pumpkin mug, as well as a green pumpkin mug. Now these were at General Dollar and they were $3 each. Now I will share, again, I will link the haul up above if you're interested in seeing the other items that I picked up. Now let's get decorating for fall. Now here's an overall look of my corner with my movable tray for the fall. Now what I did was I added some hydrangeas to the upper pumpkins, to the light orange and the green one. And those hydrangeas, they came off of Amazon. I've had them a while. And here in the mixer, I added a pumpkin tile that came from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. And then in the orange mug, I added 2 of the, bedazzled corn on the cobs, or ears of corn, however you want to call it, from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for a while. I've had them for a couple of years. I just opened the package. Now I put them on my old staples, my copper mirror tray. I have my salt and pepper meal, and then on the back, my olive oil and my vinegar, and the decanters on the back. I think it came out really cute. It's very bright and vibrant. I enjoy reading your comments, so I will look forward to seeing what you think about my corner fall decor, and I will catch you in the next episode.